we got a crazy one here. I'm doing this one for Chevy Diesel because he said if I figured it out to let him know. Have a little Ford Ranger in here, a 97 Ford Ranger. The guy was putting it in reverse, and every now and then he'd hear this odd noise. He first brought it to me to look at it, and it was faint. I could hear the noise, but not right away. And then so I put it up in the air, and then I could hear noise. And I told him I could hear it actually in forward and reverse. And he was like, okay. You know, well, I ended up sending him down the road because I really couldn't pinpoint the sound that day, or it was coming out of. I wasn't sure. Well, it didn't last that much longer after that. It's gotten pretty loud, like over the last month, and then next thing you know, it just died on him. And yep, it was bad. Oh yeah. Wow, you ain't lying. You ain't never lying on that gear. That thing's totally smooth.
It's just picking up on them little teeth on the end. See, every once in a while, it picks up on them teeth on the end.
Wow.
Yeah, it fucking towed it. Trashed the gear underneath it too. There's some fucking flat spots.
That's amazing. It tore that bad boy up. Well, we know what the noise is now. But a long story, he got him a used unit. We threw it up in here. We got her all ready to go. Ready to test drive, checked all his fluids and everything else. And that's the basis of this whole video is even that day, check your fluids, yeah. Because when we first started hearing the initial noise, had I just checked his fluids and everything, I mean, it might have gave me an idea what was going on then, you know. I would have saw that this was low. There was nothing in this thing really. It was just a little bit in there. Burned up. Yep, I wish I'd have thought of it then for him. Just take a gander at the fluids. But the little Ranger, it was in danger.
Yeah, it was. I don't know what gear that is. I think that's fucking...
That might also have been why that thing just rolled out of nowhere off the tow truck on him.
Yeah. That might